Click on the link below to get price. The EBE 6'x8" greenhouse stands as a noteworthy option for gardening enthusiasts seeking to extend their growing season and cultivate plants in a controlled environment. This wooden walk-in greenhouse, designed for outdoor use, combines functionality with a natural aesthetic, making it a pleasant addition to any garden space. At first glance, the EBE greenhouse impresses with its sturdy construction and thoughtful design. The frame is made of durable wood, which not only provides structural integrity but also harmonizes with outdoor settings. The greenhouse features polycarbonate panels that ensure optimal light transmission while providing insulation. This combination aims to create a stable microclimate conducive to plant growth, protecting them from harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features of this greenhouse is its adjustable roof and ventilation system. The roof panels can be tilted to allow for air circulation, which is essential for maintaining humidity levels and preventing overheating during sunny days. This aspect is particularly beneficial for delicate seedlings and plants that require specific environmental conditions to thrive. Additionally, the walk-in design allows easy access for maintenance, arrangement of plants, and the movement of gardening tools without the constraints often faced in smaller setups. Setting up the EBE greenhouse may require a moderate level of DIY skills, as it comes with detailed assembly instructions. Some users have noted that the process can be time-consuming, but the end result is often worth the effort, resulting in a spacious greenhouse that caters to various gardening needs. Once assembled, the greenhouse offers ample space for a variety of plants, from vegetables to ornamental flowers. It also provides a dedicated area for starting seeds or nurturing young plants before transferring them outdoors. In conclusion, the EBE 6'x8" greenhouse presents a balanced blend of design and functionality for outdoor gardening. With features aimed at enhancing plant growth while prioritizing ease of use, this greenhouse can serve as a valuable resource for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. Its combination of wood and polycarbonate materials, along with adjustable ventilation options, reflects thoughtful engineering aimed at maximizing the gardening experience. As with any product, considering user needs and local growing conditions can help determine whether this greenhouse aligns with specific horticultural goals.